Goa Health Minister Vishwajit Rane is facing backlash after publicly ordering a chief medical officer suspension at Goa Medical College and Hospital. Though he has apologized, doctors continue to protest, demanding dignity and end to VIP culture and also stronger safeguards in hospital. Here's a report for more on this.
We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. Band karo, VIP culture band karo.
Doctors are up in arms against the public humiliation and suspension of a senior doctor at the Goa Medical College and Hospital. State Health Minister Vishwajit Rane is now in a damage control mode, but doctors aren't backing down.
I am telling you, you listen. Go home. As the MS, you please see that he is not here on duty today. Send him home just now. Don't open your mouth when I am talking.
The controversy erupted after Minister Rane publicly pulled up Dr. Rudresh Kutikar, the Chief Medical Officer, during an unannounced visit, accusing the hospital authorities of denying treatment to patients. He allegedly ordered the doctor's suspension in front of staff members, a move that triggered massive uproar.
I am suspending you.
Trying to diffuse the tension, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant stepped in and revoked the suspension of the Chief Medical Officer. Facing backlash over his move, Rane said his emotions overtook his expression.
I do agree that it was not appropriate in terms of the way I reacted at that moment. I could have called him and had a word with the doctor separately. And I apologize to the doctor fraternity if I've hurt their sentiments. But once again, through your channel, ma'am, I would like to apologize once again to the doctor and his family if I have hurt his sentiment.
The Chief Medical Officer rejected the minister's apology.
So we demand all the doctors that the apology should be where the incidents happen. It is in front of the people. Within 24 hours, he has to apologize.
Okay.
We complete shutdown.
Shutdown of services of the hospital?
Because we have already given a memorandum.
So service will be cut down?
Yeah, services will be shut.
Treatment and all?
Yeah.
Meanwhile, the patient, who the minister sought to help, has spoken out, claiming she was denied treatment at the hospital.
ते म्हटले की आम्ही इथे देत नाही की कॅल्ज्युएलिटी म्हणजे आमचं हे आहे इमर्जन्सीचं आहे आम्ही देत नाही आणि त्यावेळेला एवढी गर्दी पण नव्हती तशी आणि नंतर मग आम्ही माझी मुलगी काय बोलली नाही डॉक्टरला तुम्ही बाहेर घ्या इंजेक्शन नाहीतर कुठे जाऊन घ्या.
Doctors are warning of an indefinite strike if their demands for a public apology and end to VIP culture inside emergency wards aren't met.
We have requested DSR to immediately pass an order which ends the VIP culture in this Goa, which deeply condemns the act, and any assaulter henceforth, whoever comes forward and abuses or threatens any doctor, will be put on no treatment list.
The opposition is also demanding Rane's immediate sacking.
We demand the Chief Minister of Goa to to put a section of 504 on Vishwajit Rane. Use of abusive language, which is 504 also for 2 years of imprisonment, that also has to be charged on him.
We want justice. We want justice.
As the standoff continues, patient care hangs in balance. Bureau Report, India Today.
VIP culture band karo. Band karo. Band karo. VIP culture band karo.
Later, in an interview with India Today, Rane expressed regret over the incident. Listen in.
There is a video of yours.
Yeah.
You are entering the hospital, and a lot of people believe that the tone and the tenure that you used, that was not correct. Can you tell us what exactly happened?
No, actually, what happened is I had gone to see a patient, and generally, what happens is always pressure on the system that people want point of care to be excellent. People want systems, and I've been health minister for the last 13, 14 years. I have always seen and transformed the health sector in the state of Goa. And there was a press reporter who called me saying that his mother-in-law is not being given a particular injection because she was in a lot of pain. So unfortunately, a 77-year-old, and generally I am very particular about discipline. That outburst, I've already put it on my social media that it was inappropriate. I have no ego. I may have hurt his sentiments, but unfortunately that provoked me the other day that a 77-year-old lady, ultimately I'm here to serve the poor people. I'm here to serve the people of the state of Goa and accountable to the people. I have always worked to see that the people don't go through the pain that I am going through with my mother suffering from cancer, who's a fourth stage patient who's also been basically she is basically being treated by the doctors from the health service and saved her life also on a couple of occasions from the doctors of the health services. I do agree that it was not appropriate in terms of the way I reacted at that moment. I could have called him and had a word with the doctor separately. But it has happened. This video went viral. And I have apologized to the doctor fraternity if I've hurt their sentiments. But discipline is something that needs to be maintained in the government hospital. But once again, through your channel, ma'am, I would like to apologize once again to the doctor and his family if I have hurt his sentiment. I have not even issued the process of suspension of the doctor. That was never going to be in my mind. So when the chief minister called me up, there was never question about me. I immediately told him that there's no file or anything moved in this direction. And so it's fine with me, whatever statement being made. And I have already apologized to the medical fraternity if it has hurt their feelings.